One of the most useful features in Unity that can seriously help clean up your code and manage it better is the Unity event system. Unity events are super easy to set up, modify, and trigger. For example, say you want something specific to happen every time one of these icons or power-up buttons is clicked, and maybe you want the action changed each time. In this case, one of the best ways to handle that is by using an event. Create an empty game object, name it myEvent, and attach a script with the same name to it. In this example, define a class and inside it, create a Unity event called event. You can define Unity events anywhere you need in your code. Also set up an array of that class and write a function that the event will call when triggered. That function can do literally anything. For now, just write in it print else. Now back in Unity, we can give each element in the array a name and also assign a specific event or action to it. That action can be whatever you want. I'm telling it to execute the task function. You can define as many Unity events as you want like this. Now let's see how to trigger an event. Say you want the event to run when a button is clicked. In the script, define a button, then use onClick.addListener to hook the event to it. Back in Unity, drag the actual button into the inspector, hit play, and click the button. The event runs whatever function or logic you've assigned.